Alright folks, just going to show you some of the Christmas decorations in Benidorm. There we go. It's early morning, so obviously they're not going to be lit up, but I don't know if I'll get a chance to do this later. So, here's Pandora as well, shops. Don't know what that one's called. Prowl, Parrot, I don't know. Primo. It's quite nice if you walk down here at night. It's quite good. I actually filmed this last year with the lights, but I didn't want to put myself on camera. I was too shy. But I get talked into it, so I'm getting better. But you see my video of the Gold Hotel. I think probably the best video I've done. I filmed it on one go, one take, just walked all about the hotel. Now I know how editing works on YouTube. I could just put a video on and just take wee bits out. So I just did one wee video right from the front, walked in, filmed a wee bit of the kind of restaurant, went upstairs, filmed the pool and stuff, then back to the room, filmed all that. So I think it'll come out really good, and I think my enthusiasm's a bit more, I don't know, better. I'm not as shy on it. I'm still quite shy walking about the streets talking. I can't get comfortable with that. It's going to take a wee while, but I'm getting better. It's hard for me to do something like that. Well, they've changed the decorations this year. So kind of baubles. Last year I'm sure it was kind of snowmen. That's big tree. It's quite a cool tree, isn't it?
Hombre, no es tan grande, pero es grande.
That was the Christmas decorations, and I think it was better last year, to be quite frank. So I find my bearings. I've lost my bearings here. There's an alright wee arcade. There's a couple of card games on it I like to play, so I'm going to go and try and find the arcade. It's like one of the back streets from the promenade. Oh no, that is this way. I was right to go this way. My throat's still a wee bit sore, so if I'm not talking too loud, it's because of that. Bye. We had a good wee night last night. I think it'll be better tonight. My mum and her friend are with us, so there'll be the four of us tonight. Last night my mum wasn't well, so we had to kind of just me and Jacqueline went out. So I'll just show you. Well, I'm going to get a copyright strike. I'll just talk over this because I don't know. I think I'm going to need to erase that song. It's one of the bad things about walking about somewhere like Benidorm. All the music, you've got to delete it from your channel, your videos. So I don't want to get a copyright strike. So bubble tea, you see that everywhere now. I've never tried it. The first I heard the bubble tea was I was going to London. I read one of the things to try in Chinatown was bubble tea. But still not tried. I'm a tea drinker. So. Aye, the arcade's just over here. Amsterdam. It's a miserable day. But, you know, makes a change for being totally roasting. When I was in Vegas, it was absolutely boiling. San Francisco was a wee bit better, but then New York I thought was roasting. But a good thing is I was good, so I got to walk about and film a lot of stuff, and I got a lot of good footage. So I'll probably stitch it all together, do something like 4 days in New York. I spent 4 days in New York. I spent a weekend in San Francisco, 4 days in Vegas. So I mean, I'll maybe stitch all my wee videos from it and put that all together, and maybe I'll create a better video, because my videos aren't doing too good. But it does take time, so you need to build up your confidence. Like, I watched a video and it was like, with every video you do, try and do it 1% better. So I think with the Hotel Gold video, I think I've achieved quite well with that one. I'll need to see when I get home and I stitch it, well, edit it all, take out all the wee bits. I think it'll be good, and I've got my technique down for doing it, so I'll just stand outside, I'll do an intro, and then I'll do another one. So 2 or 3, depends the size of the hotel, and then I can just take away what one I don't like, you know. So I think that's a good way of doing it. And what I did was, in the Gold Hotel, it's got a pool at the top. So I went up and I filmed the pool, and I thought, I could maybe do better. So from the very top, I started again, I filmed it down. So I've got 2 choices there. So I've got 2 choices with a room. I just filmed it. A room's a room, you know, it's thing me. Anyway. We can't be far from the arcade now. In fact, I think that's it there. I'm sure that's it there. Be a few games in the arcade and then head up and get Jacqueline. Jacqueline takes forever to get ready, so I've got time. And then we're going to meet my mum and her pal, and don't know. They'll probably want to go to the shops, I'll probably go a bit of filming stuff. Oh, the arcade's shut, I think. I'm sure it's shut. It's shut. There's a bowling now. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, I think the arcade's open. I was thinking it was that, but it's not. That's the arcade there. It's in a wee black building. Well, folks, I know a lot of my videos are just me walking about. Really, what I want to do is hotel videos. You know, that's the kind of goal, that my channel becomes successful enough that I can go in different hotels and just film the hotels, you know, and have a different hotel video every week or so. Maybe do the odd wee bits and bobs, but I think the walking tours are, I don't know, they're not for everybody, I know that, so I don't know. Anyway, here's the arcade. So I'm going to go and have a wee shot. If you've enjoyed this video or any of my other videos, please like, subscribe and share. Let me know in the comments what you think. What do you think of Benidorm? Have you ever been? Would you like to go? Is there any other places you'd like to go? Just anything at all. Anything that can improve my channel, anything, okay? Right, thanks very much, take care and bye bye.